guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing Waakye Stew. Okay, goes with the waakye, the rice. So this is the stew and it is amazing. I'm telling you, the base of this stew is to have a lot of onions. So I have here, as you can see, 3 large onions, and I have some ginger, I have some garlic, and I have fresh thyme and rosemary. So I'm going to blend these. It's a very, very nice and delicious stew that you can make, and it's amazing, I tell you. So you are all welcome. This is Nana's Food World. Right guys, so we are doing the stew now. So what I have here, I have some oil. I'm using rapeseed oil because I always use rapeseed oil. So I'm going to fry my mutton. This is goat meat. I've showed you what I did. I just put it in my pressure cook, and then that takes really less time to cook. So I'm going to fry them. So guys, our meat is nicely browned. So guys, to start our stew, I have some chopped onions and bay leaves. Put them in. So guys, we put our blended onions, garlic, ginger, thyme and rosemary into it. Right guys, so our onion is cooked nicely. So I'm going to add tomato puree. As you can realize, I've changed my pot because the other one was too small. I just realized it's a lot of stew that I'm making, so I'm using this pot rather. Right, so this is chopped tomatoes, so I'm just going to put that in as well. What I'm going to do is just cover it and then allow it to cook. Right guys, so to spice my Waakye stew, I do have some cloves. Okay, this is grains of selim, this is star anise, and then we have some green cardamoms, and we have some fennel, and this is African calabash nutmeg. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my grinder and then grind it. So guys, our stew is cooking nicely. The oil on top is really making it cook quicker. Okay, so that's why we use a lot of oil to cook this stew, sorry. So what I have here, okay, I need to put my spices in. So this is what I told you about. I've added black pepper to it, and I've grinded it nicely. Smells so good. And I want to add a little bit of aniseed, and then curry powder, The spices you use depends on you, okay? You can add any spice of your choice, but I love these. I'm going to add my stock, okay, and allow it to cook. Now this stew needs to really fry, this stew, so it cooks really well. And if it cooks really well, I tell you, it tastes amazing. So I'll allow this to just simmer for some time to cook down. Then our stew will be ready. So guys, this is our stew. It's nearly done, okay? So guys, I just realized that there's not enough salt in it, so I'm adding some salt. And then I'm adding just a bit of shrimp powder. It gives it a very lovely taste. So I'm going to put in my goat meat. So guys, I'm adding, this is cow foot and skin, okay? Really like that in our waakye stew. I'm putting that in. I'll allow it to simmer a bit, and then I'll add my fish. It's a lot of meat that goes into this stew, but it makes it really nice and flavorful. So guys, as you can see, this is it. This is our waakye stew. It smells amazing, very flavorful, and you will love it, okay? It tastes really nice. So what I'm going to do next is to add my fried fish, okay? If you want to know how to fry fish, it is on my channel, so you can just check how you fry fish nicely. So I've cut them into small pieces. I'm just putting them there. Right guys, so this is our waakye with waakye stew. It is absolutely delicious. So this is how we eat it in Ghana. We have some spaghetti. Normally you call it talia, but I really don't know why we call it talia. Maybe you can comment down below why we call it talia if you're Ghanaian, because I really don't know why we call it that. Okay, and we have gari foto. This is gari, okay, and it's nicely spiced. And then we have our stew, which is lovely, and we always add egg to it, as you can see here, okay? So yeah, this is our meal. It's really nice. It's nutritious, it's delicious, it smells so good. As you know, the stew is really flavorful, and the rice as well with the coconut oil. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.